Hey chatters, I'm Brendan, and in this episode of DevChatter, we're looking at 3 things that you may not know that VS Code can do. Let's get started. Did you know you can automatically create types for the JSON you have on your clipboard using VS Code? While VS Code doesn't have a built-in way of pasting, there is an extension that will do it. Install the Paste JSON as Code extension. Copy your JSON onto your clipboard, press F1 or Ctrl-Shift-P to open the Commands menu and type paste. If it doesn't know which language you're using, it will ask. Since this file has .cs, it knows I'm using C#. Just pick your language if it asked you. Next, since JSON doesn't name the type of the root object, it's asking us to name our top-level type here. And look at the code that it generated when I did this. You'll see that it added a bunch of code to help us work with these different types. In addition to this, it also managed to figure out the types of some things. It figured out that there was a host object, there were guest objects, and that guest objects had properties like their number of appearances. And because it detected that that was a number, it put it in as a long. Now, obviously, I might want to change this to an int, and I can. This code is generated one time based on that data, and then I can modify it as I like. Did you know, when looking for a file in your solution, you can search using the first letters of each word? If I bring up the search using Ctrl-P, I can type the first letter and find these files easily. Notice how it's looking just at the beginning of each word and treating that as a separate part based on my capital letters. Way easier to find what I'm looking for. Did you know you can make the whitespace in VS Code visible, allowing you to see tabs as arrows and spaces as dots? To turn it on, just go to View, Render Whitespace. And you can see there's a little bit of inconsistency with the whitespace in this class. Thanks for joining us here on DevChatter. If you like this content, subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. You can also catch me and the rest of the DevChatter community live on the DevChatter Twitch channel. See you next time, and happy coding.